Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to insert an image in Microsoft Word. So first things first, you need to open your Microsoft Word. Now place your cursor where you want the image in your document. You have to look for Insert tab, go to Insert tab and then click on Pictures. Now, if you want to import picture from your device, then all you have to do is to click this picture right here and then upload from your drive or from this device. Browse the image file on your computer, select it, and click insert. And that's it. You will see the picture right away. That is the first method. Now, if you are inserting an image from the web, then it's the same thing. You just have to go to the insert tab. By the way, you can just place it anywhere here. Go to insert and then tap on this online pictures. Here you can just basically search, or in the search box, type a description of your image that you want to enter here or to add here. Select an image from the results and then click insert. Ensure you have an active internet connection to access online images. If not, then you cannot search for images here. Okay, so this is the second way on how to insert image here on your Microsoft Word. Now, you can also do this one like if you want to go to the specific browser and you want an easier way to add a picture here to your document or Word, you could just basically copy the image and then paste it here on your document. So you have to go to the specific picture, right click, copy, go back to Microsoft Word, and then Control V or paste. By the way, you can replace or delete these messages anytime. Okay, so these are the ways on how to insert an image in Microsoft Word. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.